Hi guys, this is Sadak from Droidwin.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to disable the back gesture on your Android phone using ADB command. So as of now, you could see this is the right back gesture and a arrow is visible as well, and this is the left back gesture. So upon doing a back gesture, you could see that I am taken back to the home screen. Likewise, if I go to the, let's say, settings menu, then let me go to any option over here. Then if I do a back gesture, I will taken a step back again. If I do a back gesture, so you may do the back gesture from both the left and right hand side. Both will work equally good. So in this video, I'll show you how to turn off either one of these two gestures or both the gestures. So with that said, let's get started. First and foremost, you will have to get hold of the Android SDK platform tools. So get it from my guide and extract them onto your PC. You could extract them anywhere you want. In my case, I've done the extraction in C drive, and these are the files of platform tools. Once you've done the extraction, you will now have to enable USB debugging on your phone. So for that, go to the settings menu on your phone. From settings menu, go to about phone. Then tap on build number or OS version 7 times. You will get a prompt that you are now a developer. So now go back, then go to system, and you should now see developer option. Go there and enable the toggle next to USB debugging. You will get a prompt on your phone. Tap on OK. And with this, debugging is now enabled. Let's verify the same. So go to platform tools folder address bar, type in CMD and hit enter, and make sure that you are opening the command prompt window inside platform tools. Now type in ADB devices and verify that you are getting a serial ID. If you are not getting any ID, then unplug and replug your phone from the PC. Disable and re-enable USB debugging. Tap on revoke USB debugging. Use the official USB cable that came with your phone and use the USB 2.0 port on your PC. So carry out these USB tweaks and make sure that you're getting an ID. Once you're getting in this ID, your next course of action is to use the ADB command. But before that, since we are using the ADB shell command put and get, you will have to carry out one more step. In case of OnePlus phone, you will have to go to developer option and enable the disable permission monitoring. Let me show you. This is a OnePlus phone, and in that phone you will have to enable the toggle next to disable permission monitoring. Likewise, in case of Xiaomi phones, you will have to enable USB debugging security settings. So let me show you. In case of the Xiaomi phones, this is the screenshot. Just a minute. This is the Xiaomi screenshot. So in Xiaomi, you have to enable the USB debugging security settings, and in case of OnePlus, you have to enable the disable permission monitoring. So enable the toggles in these phones as well if you are having any one of these phones. Apart from that, on all the other phones, that is not required. So with that said, let's now move ahead with the next step. So now we will now use the command. So if you want to turn off the back gesture from the left hand side, which is this gesture, as you could see, you have to use the first command. And if you want to turn off the gesture from the right hand side, which is this, as you could see, so you have to use the second command. So as of now, let me turn off the gesture from the right hand side. So simply copy the required command and paste it in the CMD window and hit enter, and the gesture on the right hand side is now turned off. You could see it's no longer working over here, as you could see, but on the left hand side it will still work well and good. It's just that on the right hand side it's not working, on the left it's still working. Likewise, if you now want to turn off the gesture on the left hand side as well, then simply use this command, but it's advised that you should not turn off both the gesture at once. So let's first enable the disable gesture, and then I will show you how to turn off the left gesture as well. So for re-enabling the gesture, you just have to use the same command that you have used in the disabling. Just change the value of 0 to 1.33. So in my case, I have turned off the right gesture. As you could see, currently it's not working. So I have to use the second command, which is for the right gesture, and the first is for the left gesture, and the value should be 1.33. So let me copy this command and paste it in the CMD window and hit enter, and the back gesture on the right hand side is now working. As you could see, it's working well and good. Let's go inside the settings menu, and as you could see, the right gesture is also working and the left is already working. Now if you want to turn off the left hand gesture, simply copy the command for the left gesture and paste it in the CMD window, and now the left gesture is not working, but the right gesture, as you could see, is currently working well and good without any issue as such. This is working, but the left gesture is no longer working. Again, if you want to re-enable the left gesture, then use the first command which has the left keyword and the value should be 1.33. So copy the entire command and paste it in the CMD window and hit enter, and now the left gesture should again start working, as you could see. So now both the right and the left gestures are working well and good. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. There are just a couple of things to keep in mind. If you are using a OnePlus phone or a Oppo and a Realme phone, in all these three phones, make sure to re-enable the disable permission monitoring from the developer option. In case of Xiaomi, you have to enable the USB debugging security settings option. So once you have enabled that feature, you may just use the command, this command to turn off the left gesture and this command to turn off the right gesture. Likewise, you may use this command to re-enable the left gesture and this command to re-enable the right gesture. So guys, on that note, I round off this video. If you have any queries with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.